Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So this video is going to be a little bit different from what you're used to seeing on this channel. I just wanted to take a moment, sit down and explain everything. But if you saw the title, don't worry, Flow 1 isn't going anywhere. I just am going to be changing things up a little bit. So just to be forward with you guys, I've been the dude behind Flow 1, and I kind of realized that this channel is pretty much about me and my life and my journey building bikes. So I've decided to change the name of this channel to my name, Aidan Babs. Babs is my nickname. All of the boys call me Babs. I'm 24 years old and I'm from a small town in Connecticut. I basically grew up around machines, riding, and I have to credit my father to a lot of it, because he was the one who really got me into it. Before you guys worry, nothing is changing with the giveaway. It's still run through Flow 1. And the Flow 1 brand and website is still live, still on Instagram. Everything is the same with that. So if you are wanting to enter into the giveaway, you're still going to go to the same spot, www.flow1.shop, and you can enter there. But I'm just going to be changing the name of this channel to me, and maybe when I have a little extra time I'll make some riding videos from my perspective. I guess we'll just kind of see how it goes. What could I do with Flow 1? Well, I am an engineer by trade. I do like to innovate where I can see improvements. So I figured, why don't I combine everything? My engineering skills, my bike building skills, my video skills, and really create a brand that could be useful for you guys and make some good products for dirt bikes, whether it be tools, equipment, and maybe even some apparel or gear. I'll be making another YouTube for Flow 1 specifically for the products that I develop, and of course we'll do some feature films and some cinematic short films using the products that we create. But just to assure you guys, there's no major change with the videos or with the channels. The bike build videos, I still plan to make the same as they've been and just continue to get better at filming videos, editing, and building bikes. That's the plan going forward. And with Flow 1, hopefully we can innovate, make some cool products that you guys could use for your bikes and or riding. But I just wanted to have a sit down with everyone, kind of introduce myself, talk to you guys. I never thought I would be here kind of as a content creator, influencer, whatever you want to call it. That wasn't my intention when I started filming. When I started this, I originally thought I would just, create a cool brand. It's kind of developed into me and what I do, stuff like that. So we're just going to change the channel to Aidan Babs. I actually started this channel about 10 years ago, just uploaded videos from the old J days we used to do, just POV videos. I just, did it for fun and didn't really get many views, but just wanted to put some content out there back in the day. And this account just sat dormant for 8 years. We had a little riding crew, the boys from high school, and we would race the J-Day series. So I had a ton of fun doing that, but I wasn't on the parent-funded program, so I had to fund it all pretty much out of my own pocket, and I was just a high school kid with not much money. I worked at the gas station, basically spent every dollar just to get out racing on the weekends and getting my bike freshened up for each race. So a few of us, were kind of in the same boat, Johnny and Nick specifically, and we got together and started working on bikes, and none of us really were master mechanics by any means. We just would get the bikes running, working good, clean them up and sell them. And we kind of just had fun with it towards the end of high school. It wasn't a steady income by any means, and we were just doing it as young guys having fun, making a little extra money. We had just a little small garage shop at my dad's house. I wouldn't even call it a shop. The garage that you guys see me working now, where I built the Cowie, actually, I've improved the shop significantly since then, but we had barely any tools, and it was just 3 of us fixing bikes up, cleaning them up, and reselling them. I guess I forgot to mention earlier in the video, a lot of the learning curve when we were working on our bikes back in high school was, watching videos on YouTube of guys building bikes. And the main guy that comes off the top of my head and specifically is Cam Niemela. He was one of my biggest inspirations for doing this and pursuing, doing what you love. So I loved what Cam did, and it's really unfortunate that he left us so soon. But you know, it kind of inspired me to give it a try. I learned a lot from him and I had some experience, so I thought, I can do this. I set out on this vision quest to build the Cowie and film the whole thing similar to how Cam did, but you know, with my own little spin. Through lots of trial and error, I pushed through it and I was able to build the KX, which has kind of become the poster bike of this channel, I guess you could say. By the time I finished the KX, I had gained quite a decent following on social media from the videos that I've made and got pretty good amount of viewership. So I decided I was gonna do my first dirt bike build giveaway. And right when that 93 CR500 popped up just a couple hours away from me in Rhode Island, instantly thought this could be something special here. So I was able to talk the seller down to $4,000, which might seem like a lot, but if you know the CR500 market, you know that's a pretty fair deal for a complete CR500. And it didn't run when I bought it. I got it running, stripped it down to the frame, just like the Cowie, and plan was and still is to build that up to a beautiful bike and give it away to one of you guys. You know, and I'm not exactly trying to copy some of the other creators that do this, like Cam Niemela, MX Revival, and Kincaid Pavich, but it seems like they're able to support the builds by doing some giveaways, which kind of leaves us to where I'm at now. But anyways, thanks for sticking with me to the end here. We'll get back to our regular scheduled program, bike videos, very soon. I don't know if you can tell, but hold on a sec. Just to show you guys, we're in a new spot here. What do we have here? The new Flow One shop. 2-car garage. This will be up and coming for the channel. We're still gonna be working out of my dad's house, but I recently just moved in with my girlfriend and we got a house. So I'm gonna be building out of here pretty soon. I'm super excited to get this shop set up, but I gotta buy a few things to really get it going. So I'll probably continue to make videos out of my dad's garage for a little while. Yeah, I'm not far from there. I'm in a cool spot next to some awesome trails, and super excited for what's to come with the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.